Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and fix the problem that you might be having with Odoo if your promo and discount codes are not working at checkout. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Odoo website right here, odoo.com, if you have not already. So if you do not already have it opened up, go right there, and from here in this main page that is going to open up, you're going to go to the upper right corner and log into your account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go and create one. So after logging in, this is going to be the home page. From this home page, we can get started with the official Odoo website. Here in the upper left corner, we have the editor menu from where we can access our configuration, site settings, and so on. So let's go and take a look at what to do if our discounts and promo codes are not working. As you can see on the official Odoo forum, somebody already asked the same questions, that discounts are not working on the quote in the checkout. So basically guys, what you want to do is go to the forums for yourself. There are tons of threads like this by similar-minded people who also had the same problem, asking the same questions. So basically guys, you have the options that you need to follow to establish a discount, such as navigating to the settings under the configuration. Right here at the top of the screen, configuration, you're going to have the sales option, and where you can get started with navigating to discount and loyalty and setting up your settings. But if it isn't working, what you want to do is post your own problem on the forum, explaining what the problem is and why you can get it to work, and somebody with more knowledge is going to come in and help you out, fix it, and basically that's your best bet. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.